If your phone gets stolen right now, a thief can break into it in under a minute. There's one Android setting that shuts that down completely, and most people have never turned it on. Let's fix that. This is called Advanced Protection Mode. It's built into Android, and it locks down over 20 security features at once. Theft protection, app safety, network security, all of it. One toggle. Quick heads up, you need a screen lock already set up on your phone for this to work. If you have that, let's go. Go to Settings and open it. Now look for Google or Google Services and tap on it. Inside, tap All Services. Scroll down until you see Personal and Device Safety. You'll see Advanced Protection. Tap on it. Now look for Device Protection and tap the toggle to turn it on. A summary screen pops up. Read it, then tap Turn On. Your phone might ask you to restart. Go ahead and restart it now. Here's what matters most now. If someone snatches your phone out of your hand, it locks itself instantly. If someone tries to install a shady app from outside the Play Store, it's blocked completely. And malware scanning can't be turned off anymore. It's always running in the background. Remember that thief from the start of this video? With this on, he's holding a brick. Nothing on it works for him. Your phone is locked down now, but there's a second door thieves and hackers use that has nothing to do with your device. Your actual Google account. If you skip this next part, everything we just did can still be bypassed. This next part takes 30 seconds and closes the exact hole most people forget about. Go to your settings, tap on Google Services and click on All Services. Again, click on Advanced Protection in Personal and Device Safety section. Look for Account Protection, safeguard your Google account. Find Advanced Protection Program. Follow the prompts to set up a passkey or security key. This locks down Gmail, Drive, and every app tied to your account, even if someone gets your password. So now, if your phone is ever stolen, snatched, or someone tries to sideload malware onto it, none of that works anymore. Your device and your account are both locked down. This is day 1 of a 7-day series making your Android untouchable. Subscribe now so tomorrow's video shows up first in your feed.